Do it again, Stacy.
Huh?
Do it again.
Can you go?
Can you do it, baby?
You did it. You tried. You did good. There she goes.
You're funny.
See? Now say Gdad. Gdaddy.
Can you say it? Can you say Gdad?
She does. She says.
She likes that game.
Yeah, can you laugh?
Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of hard.
She did it real soft. She did it behind her hand.
What are you saying? Now you say Gdad. Can you say Mama? No. Mama.
No, but I can call.
Say Mama.
Well, the cough gets on the laps.
Mama. No. Mama.
She'll say daddy.
Can you say Daddy?
She said die, die, die every
Daddy?
morning.
Da,
Now,
da, da.
LSU is moving the ball like A&M was.
Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. She's supposed to call. Da,
It's got a terrible cough.
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Jefferson just eliminated that with a run down the sideline.
No.
She's moved on
That's
to
my frog.
working with toes. There's my foot's inside of there, I think.
Da.
How come I can't see it?
Da, 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 da.
Where's your passy?
For Texas A&M, you get into a third down situation, and they're actually going to bring in Von Miller and Demontre Moore, put them out there on the field together as rush ends.
She's wanting to poke it in there.
Big loss for the Aggies if Demontre can't finish this game.
Can you do that?
You're going to teach the baby to be gross.
She didn't put that foot in her mouth.
She's trying to.
She's wanting to get her foot in her mouth. Tastes like a pajama.
She's never done that.
I know.
I've never seen her do that. Have you ever seen her do that, Kel?
I've never seen her eat her foot. Maybe you should just eat that instead. That for sure will go in your mouth.
Hodges, the recipient of the Scholar Athlete Award at the Big Play Luncheon yesterday. You see our yellow first down line. It's brought to you by AT&T.
Excuse you.
Just over 2 minutes.
There it is. You got it in there.
Texas A&M out to a
I made my nose run because I was laughing at you so
I wish I
hard.
could get them to get him.
Oh,
Blast, man.